Send you home. That's surrealistic absurdity, absurd surrealism. So it's absurd surrealism now. Absurd surrealism is where the surrealism is absurd. There's absurdity to the surrealism. Like, let's say I have an ice cream hammer. I saw an art, surrealistic art, where this person juxtaposed a hammer and an ice cream, and you call it an ice cream hammer. So that is surrealistic. That's absurd surrealism. So surrealism is a fascinating phenomenon in art. You have the three-dimensional aspect of art, you have the surrealistic aspect of art, and then you have colors, and then you have shades, you know. So, and there's a lot of things that happen in art. Your visualization becomes more stronger. You understand, you get a deeper understanding of physics, and you begin to become much more aware of tiny little peculiarity in nature that we are jaded to, that's oblivious to